My name is Ayush Hansraj Prajapati. I study in 11th. My division is A. My college name is Rizvi College of Arts, Science and Commerce. My subject is Climate Change. Future is ready.
I made this video after a lot of research. I hope that you will like this video.
Due to ozone layer greenhouse gas, there is a shield around the Earth.
Greenhouse gas the block the sun's rays inside itself.
This video you watch you idea the greenhouse gas blocks the sun's rays.
If there was no greenhouse gas, there would be no heat on the Earth, so that life would not have started. The amount of greenhouse gas is increasing day by day due to carbon, methane, chlorofluorocarbons. Carbon-absorbing forests are being cut daily,
Due to which the heat is increasing. The glacier is melting.
which may happen in future that many countries of the world can drown in the sea.
Due to rising temperature, one may have to face rain, drought and earthquake, etc. I hope you like this video. Thank you.